So, hello friends, good evening. We have already done palindrome numbers, how to check whether a number is palindrome or not. I already told you what is palindrome numbers. Palindrome. Oh, sorry, palindrome numbers. Palindrome numbers, you know that like 101, if you just reverse the number, it will be 101 only. Or if you place the number before a mirror, the mirror image will be 101 only. Those kind of numbers are known as palindrome numbers. Then what are palindrome? Now, we already did that before, palindrome numbers. So today we will do palindrome words. Okay. Since we have already started string, I gave you introduction to string. So now let's do a simple programming that palindrome, whether a entered word is palindrome or not. Palindrome is what? Like madam. This word is palindrome. How? See, if you just read it the opposite way, it is the same. Madam only. M-A-D-A-M, and this side also M-A-D-A-M. So it remains the same if you just opposite. That means what? If you, whether you take this is the first, this is the second, this is the third, this is the fourth, this is the fifth, or you take this is the first, this is the second, this is the third, fourth, fifth, it's the same thing. Okay, just opposite. If you just write, it will be the same as before. So how to do it? Let's see. Let's see. Let's see. Okay. So I already gave you an example. For example, the user has entered madam. We will check whether this is palindrome or not. Okay. Now, for example, string st, and in that I will take this as input. Dot next. Just next bracket, first bracket open and close, that the function to input a word. Okay, for a word, this is the function. So obviously we will not take a sentence, just a word we will take, and we will check whether it is palindrome or not. Okay, now we will start a for loop. We will just write a for loop, because already the number is coming to my mind, but already the word is entered. We just need another string to keep the opposite of that word, and we will just check whether both are equal or not. Do you know how to check equality of string? Do you know equality of string? Like for example, if that is a int a, for example, a equals to 5. If I want to check equality, how to write that? Whether a equal 5, like this it is written. It will check whether a is equal to 5 or not. This is a condition. Now if there is a string, how will you write? Char is the same way, it is checked. Character is checked in the same way. Okay, how string is checked? Because string is little different. String needs a function. You don't have to make the function, already the function is made. String name, whatever string you need to check whether this is equal to that or not. For example, there was a equal 5. So like this string, for example, string 2, st2. Okay, no, there is no gap between. Okay, dot equals we will write, and with that bracket st, for example, 1 it is. So this is the way equality is checked. It will just check whether st2, that means string 2, is equal to string 1 or not. This function will check this. Okay, this is the way equality for string is checked, using this function dot equals function. Dot equals function, bracket open close. This is the function with which you can check equality of two string values. Okay. Achha. Now let's see. We will start a for loop. Now since we need the last character first, so obviously we will run the for loop in the reverse order, and I already told you how to find the length of a string. So here I have entered, for example, this string I have entered, this string st I have entered. Okay, st I have entered. I will just find the length of it, and minus 1, I already told you dot length will give you the length of the string, and minus 1 length minus 1 is the last position of the string. So from this position, last position of the string, we will run the for loop. So that we need the last element at first. Okay. Then I equals to, what we will write, st. I am writing it in horizontal manner because there is no space. I am writing it below. Otherwise, write it afterwards. Okay, just after st dot, then you continue writing. Okay, no space. That's why I am just writing it below. St dot length bracket open close, first bracket open close, minus 1. That is the last position of the string. Done. Why minus 1? Because length will give you, means for example, it is, if it is madam, so number of characters, I'm writing char, number of character will be 1 2 3 4 5. So 5 it will give you the output will be, the length function will give you the output 5, but it is starting from 0 1 2 3 4. So last position is 4, not 5. So if you enter 5, it will be index out of bounds. Okay, it will not, it will generate an error. Okay, it will not, it will show an error that in no element is present in the 5th position. It will show an error. That's why length st dot length minus 1. That means 4th position of the string. If you have entered, if the user has entered madam. Okay, now I is greater than equals to 0. Of course, it will continue up to 0, and I minus 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 minus. This is okay. This is minus minus. Done. Now inside this, whenever there is only one line inside the inside any condition or any loop, you don't need to give brackets. Giving brackets is optional, so I am not giving any brackets. Okay, you can give if you are not accustomed to not giving brackets. If only one line is written, if this is only one line, I will write. Okay, but I am writing it below because there is no space. Okay, so string st2 is what? st2 is what? st2 is equals to st2. First time there is no value in st2. Obviously, I am declaring it here only. String st2 equals to st2 plus, I will write. That means first time st2's value is nothing. So nothing plus what we will write? Nothing plus st dot char at bracket open I. That means it will take the character, a single character it will take. Dot char at takes a single character. It takes out the single character from st. It will take out a single character from the position I position first time is the last position of the string. That is, if you have entered madam, it will be 4. So 4th position, what is present? M is present. So M will be added to st2 for the first time. The loop will continue, and next time what will come? A will come. Then again D will come. Then again A will come. This is in the reverse order it is coming. You can see. Means there you may be having problem to understand, but it will be coming in the reverse order. Okay. As simple as that. If you are not accustomed to this also, another way is also there. I am showing you that. Don't worry. That feels little difficult, but it is also easier. I will make it easy for you. Don't worry. See. Just see. Wait. If I write I equals to 0, I greater than st dot length, sorry, greater than I wrote, it will be less than st dot length bracket open close, done, I plus plus. If I just write this, then it is in the from 0 to the length it is going. That means from 0 to 4 it will go. Now if I write this statement, this will be wrong. Wrong means it will just take out the values in the not in the reverse order, in the correct order only. So what I need to do, there is just a little change I need to do. What I need to do is Just remember that I declared their string st. Okay, string st I declared. So now I am writing st equals to st, sorry, st2 equals to st dot char at I. That means the first position of the string st. That means m only plus st2. Now do you know what will happen? It will just, this is also the, this will take the final string st2 will be in the reverse order, the reverse of st. How? First time it will take, for example, m. First time the 0 position it will take, and it will add nothing to it. Okay, so st2 values became what? M became. Now next time what it will take? It will take a. It will take a, because after m a comes. So now it will take the second, the first it was 0 value. Now this is the first value. It will become 1. So one position a is there. It will take a plus this value was what previously m. See, so that means it will be a plus m. Again it will be d plus m. Again it will be a plus m. Again it will be m plus m. See, again madam will come. So you can just declare the loop in the reverse order, or you can declare this part in the reverse order. Both the ways you can do. Both the ways I taught you. Both the ways I told you. Both the ways it can be written. So finally the reverse order will come, and if just need to write that whether st2 dot equals st or not. If it equals, then it is palindrome. If not, then not palindrome. Now here is a problem. I already told you that Java is case sensitive. So if capital letters are not there, for example small letters are there, and if you reverse this, for example m is capital and others are small, and now if you reverse this, small will come first, like this it will be. For Java these two are not equals to, these two are different, but we know that both are same. Madam is madam only, whatever the uppercase or lowercase, but Java takes it differently. So what to do? Rather this equals, there is another function, you use that function, that is dot equals, then next you write, okay, no space, that's why I'm writing here, dot equals ignore case. There is no space, okay, in between, and you need to write in the same line. There is no space, that's why I wrote here. Otherwise you just continue writing this. Continue this. See, this is E is small letter, I is capital, and C is also capital. Okay, equals, no space, ignore, no space, case. Then again bracket, open, close. Inside the bracket the string you need to write. Bus. So it will just ignore the case, whether it is in the uppercase or the lower case or whatever it is. It will just ignore that case, and it will just see whether those strings are equal or not. If that is equal, then obviously it is palindrome. If not, then not palindrome. So friends, hope you understood this palindrome word part, and many students find it difficult to understand when it comes to string handling. So hope you got to know about string, and it maybe become easier for you. I'm just uploading this so that you can, if this program comes, you can just make this program in the while writing in the examination. You can frame this program in the examination itself, just for few practice, and you can just frame it itself. Okay, it's easy, just you need to understand the logic, what is happening inside the program. It's very simple. Okay, thank you, bye bye, stay safe.